In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create templates with Monday.com. Whether you're new to Monday.com or just looking to make your workflow more efficient, creating templates can be a game changer for your team. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Monday.com. Once there, click on the Login button located at the top right corner of the homepage. If you've set up your account using Google, simply click on the Google icon and select your Google account to log in quickly. Otherwise, follow your usual login routine. Upon logging in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Look over to the left panel and select the board where you wish to create a template. Once your board is open and visible, direct your attention to the top right corner of the board panel. You'll see three dots lined up vertically. This is your options menu. Go ahead and click on those dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various board options. From the list of options, select Save as a Template. This is where the magic begins. You'll be prompted with an option labeled Move the Origin. Now, this might sound a little technical, but don't worry. It simply means you're setting the basis from which this template will be created. Selecting this option helps in maintaining consistency across your projects. When you're ready, click on Next to proceed. Here, you'll encounter a choice between creating a standard template or using advanced options. Since we're focusing on the basics today, choose Standard Template. This selection will provide you with a straightforward template that is versatile enough for most needs. Following this, click on Next again, which will bring you to the final steps of naming and creating your template. This is your chance to give your template a meaningful name, one that will be easily recognizable for you and your team. Remember, a good name can save time when searching for the right template among many. Once you have typed in the desired template name, it's time for the last step. Click on the Create Template button. With that, you've successfully crafted a template. This template is now ready to be used across your projects within Monday.com, streamlining processes and saving valuable time. By having these templates at your disposal, you will significantly enhance your team's productivity. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope it has been clear and helpful. Be sure to implement this into your workflow and watch as your efficiency improves. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy organizing on Monday.com.